Projects program helps me a lot, actually.
Mhm.
Basically, before Vajrang's projects program, the idea which I have on RE framework and APIs, database activities, and all was only the text based information which all I have was. But now, after this program, the idea behind the RE framework and how to implement that, what are the changes to be made in that, it was really a great experience for me to participate in this project's program, really, because I gained a lot of information from this program. It's really helpful for me. Generally, out of this, there were many organizations running such trainings and all, but I don't think so that they will provide this kind of training, and they won't run behind us to do the task also, I think, because they will just maybe teaching the basics or the outline and just leave. But you are running behind us whether we are completing it or not, whether we have understand the topic or not. You are making us to share the screen, let us do on ourselves the task, and you're checking out where we are stopping. That was really great thing which you are doing. This program really helped me a lot, I have gained a lot of information from this program. Thank you, Vajran.
Great to know, Asha. Why should someone join this program? Like how if they're starting new?
Yeah, if someone has really don't have the knowledge of how to implement in real time, like deploying the code and all knowledge, generally no one will. They might be telling that, but we can experience the same in the program here. We can do it with our hands on.
Mhm.
That would give a lot of confidence in ourselves also. So I would just love to others to join this program for this, because they
Great to
will
know.
get the hands on this. Yeah, thanks, Vishran.